Hey guys, our event tonight, Gems in the Six, was a complete success. Thank you to everyone that took the time out to come out and put yourself in front of the information. More importantly, thank you to our leaders and mentors that came down to Toronto. Beava Jay, Rico, Nate, Lisa, Vic, thank you guys for coming down and sharing the impact with the rest of Toronto. Thank you.
We really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your busy schedules to come to our home to share this information with our family here in Toronto. And I promise you guys lit a fire under our behinds. So the only way up is here for all of us. We are one band, one sound, one family. You guys are about to see the information, see what happened in our event tonight. And I want you guys to truly understand that you can't get left behind, right? Get ahead of the trend, and let's run it up together.
We are about to launch Toronto. You guys brace yourself. It's about to get hot in the six. Be ready for what is about to come. I cannot stress that enough. It's gonna be fire.
All right, so if you guys missed our event, we are about to show you guys what happened. Enjoy the video, and let's make this money together, all right? Hope everyone has an amazing day, and enjoy.
Nice to see so many familiar faces, so many new faces. Thank you guys for coming down this evening, taking a part of your Friday evening out. But thank yourself for coming down, for giving yourselves the opportunity to put yourself in front of the information that we're about to give you guys. We are going to give you guys a lot of information tonight, and I want you guys to have an open mind throughout the evening. I'm going to speak a little bit about myself. I'm about 4 months into this business, and it's been a blessing. It's been a blessing. The people that I've met, the people that I've got to work with, I've grown so much as a person. The person I was 4 months ago is not the person I am today. So I have to thank them for the opportunity. And this is just the beginning. This is the beginning. This is where we take off. This is where we expand. We're about to turn Toronto into this incredible city where we can open opportunities, make an impact for a lot of families, a lot of people who don't see a way out. We're about to pave a way into financial freedom, and we're about to get started. So I hope.
So, my name is Lisa. Lisa Field. I'm currently a Platinum 2000 in this opportunity. I joined back in June of 2019, and just like Mel said, the person that I was in June, I'm not the same person today, right? So this is something that has changed my life dramatically because I was an athlete before this, and now I just use my fire that I had inside of me to help others. You know, anybody play sports? So you understand Bronx as well. I'm from the Bronx, New York, and my major is health education and promotion, right? So I always wanted to be in that field helping people. Didn't know how, didn't know why. I just always needed to be the person that I was seeking out growing up, right? So if you didn't know, you have 8 dimensions to yourself in order to be, stable. Your emotions, your social life, your finances, your physical, your environmental, your occupation, what else? Your occupation, your intellectual, and there's one more, and your physical. And it just so happened that this opportunity happened to be finances, right? I love Canadians. I look forward to it, right? And it's just like knowing that someone has that drive to help someone else, help the next person, and now we have a solution. I would say opportunity, but this is a solution. This is really like the cure to poverty. Really think about it. $7.3 trillion market, biggest financial market in the world, largest financial market in the world, most liquid financial market in the world. We have savings accounts, right? For rainy days, right? All we doing is paying the banks. Did y'all read the fine print when y'all signed up to have a bank account?
Yeah.
They're trading your money anyways with your savings account. Now what happens? Stock market went down. I know you guys seen that with the coronavirus. 401k plans. What happens? What's your fallback plan when you had your rainy day money in the bank? What skill do you have to make that back? So when you enroll into this opportunity, enroll to the solution. There's going to be so much information to give you guys today, and I really want you guys to be open-minded because I really want you guys to understand. I want it to change your life just as much as it changed mine. You just have to be open-minded to something so new because this is very new. It's not every day someone's coming to you showing you how to have a millionaire blueprint. We have a millionaire in the room, and we have a couple more on the way. Under 25. I'm only 22 years old. Still my prime, still young. And it's just like, this right here is something so amazing. So amazing, right? And $7.3 trillion market mixed with a $6.6 million compensation plan. We're leaving no money on the table. We need it all. We got bills to pay, we got debt to pay. If we didn't have anything to pay for, we wouldn't be in this room. We seen financial freedom. I want to know about that. I want to learn how to become financially free. We're taught how to be workers, we're not taught how to be bosses. For dinner, punching some numbers. You guys know how to copy and paste? Who cheated on the test before? Don't lie. We're in church. So if someone sends you something, sends you numbers, here, put this in the app, would you be able to do it? Right? Super, super simple. When I tell you this is so simple, people think it's harder than what it is when we say just copy and paste. All you're doing is copying and pasting. Because we know this skill is an Ivy League skill. Anyone goes to Ivy League school? No. So who says that we can't have that same type of education? Because we obviously don't have the money to go there. So why can't we obtain an education like that? Especially about finances. Because look, Trade House Investment Group is producing more six-figure earners than Yale, than Harvard. Really think about it. All under the age of 30. The oldest one 30, everyone else is under 25. Really think about that. Think about the numbers. We created 32 six-figure earners in 2019. How much are we projected to in 2020?
Over 100.
Okay. Who says it can't come out of this room? I know a couple out of this room. I see the fire in the eyes. So is your fire in you gonna burn your house, or is it gonna warm your house? Are you gonna use that fire in the wrong way, thinking that, oh geez, I gotta pay for this, I gotta pay for that? Not being optimistic, or are you gonna use that fire to warm your house? Okay, I know I can talk to people, I know I can help people. Now I'm gonna pour it into someone else because your bank account is simply gonna reflect how many lives you impact. Rest in peace, Kobe. He impacted so many lives. How? Because he worked hard. He showed what it is to work hard. So, I'm actually going to pass it over to Beava. Let me give you a short story. Beava, that's my guy. When I was at Platinum 150, I threw my first event. My first event at Platinum 150, he came all the way from Long Island to the Bronx in an Uber. $150 Uber to come to the Bronx to have an event with little old me, Platinum 150, brand new, brand spanking new into this business. I will forever respect Beava. Forever. Forever. That's my guy. So, I have the pleasure, it's my pleasure to introduce Beava Jay, my man. Welcome to the stage.
Yes, sir.
What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? You guys awake or y'all asleep? I need y'all to be awake. I need y'all to really be awake, right? So see, one thing that you guys gotta understand about this opportunity is deeper than just the business, deeper than just trading. Yes, trading is fun. We have a great time. Yes, we're creating six-figure earners, but it's something deeper than that. It's literally about becoming great and helping people become great with us. Everybody's success story is different. Everybody's success goal is different. For example, the way you define success is going to be different than the way I define success, correct? It's going to be the same thing for everybody in this room. Our goal is to help you guys become successful, whatever that may mean to you guys. Our goal is simply to come here and help you guys get exactly where you guys want to go. Our goal is to help you guys remind yourselves that yes, it is possible. Because I guarantee you guys, whatever you want, that if we go back to the first day in kindergarten, and I walk into your classroom, and I ask you guys, on this piece of paper, write down what you want to be when you grow up. Almost nobody in here was going to write, I want to be a trader in the foreign exchange market. Right or wrong?
Right.
So my goal is to simply let you guys have that freedom again, to let you believe that back in kindergarten when you wrote down want to be an astronaut, yes, you can become that still. Yes, you can still do these things. Yes, you can still become whatever you guys want to be. The only thing is that I feel like a lot of people are lacking the platform to do so. Right or wrong?
Right.
Who's with me?
Yep.
How many people here feel like they're lacking the platform to be able to become what they really want to become? How many people here think they're living paycheck to paycheck and they think that they're tied up to a system that isn't for them? See, in our business, we do have a system. And we see it work every single day. Me and Rico, when we became part of this business, we have videos, we have pictures of me and him doing the same exact meeting, the same exact informational at my sneaker store with 3 people in front of us. With 4 people in front of us, nobody in our business. And we're following Nate at the time, Chairman 10. He's telling us what to do, he's showing us what to do. We're literally following a blueprint that was already created. So he had the success we desired, so guess what we're going to do? We're going to duplicate it. We're going to make sure we do exactly what's being told to us. I promise you guys, for you guys, who's not in the business yet? Perfect. So as long as you guys can do 2 things, I promise you guys nothing but success in this business. The 2 things you need to do is listen and apply. If you're able to listen to the information that's given to you, and you're able to apply the information that's given to you, I promise you guys we're not looking back. I promise you guys the stuff that's going to come out of this company is going to be a beautiful thing. Because it's not only about you, it's about putting yourself in a position to always win. But not only yourself, it's the people you bring with you. I'm 26 years old. In my business personally, almost 90% of my people are younger than me. And I love it. I love it. Some of the guys were supposed to come with me today, they couldn't make it. But I have people in my business 18 years old, making $3,500 a week off of trading. $1,000 a month residually, $2,000 a month residually. They have no business making this money. But they believed in the system and they followed the system, and now they're becoming what they want to become. Now they're understanding, yo, what I did want to become is very possible. See, I promise you that you see a lot of greats in this room. Like you see Lisa, you see Mel, you see Reese, you got Rico, you got Vic, you got Nate. I promise you the last thing they will be known for is foreign exchange market. They're going to be known for something bigger than that. And everybody in this room is going to be the same exact thing. This is an avenue we're going to use to get you guys where you want to be. I promise you guys that what we do is right in front of you guys. The success we desire is in front of us. Sometimes we just have to open our eyes and tell ourselves, oh, it's really there, I can really grab it, I can really achieve this. So it's up to you guys to ask how bad do you guys really want it. It's up to you guys to be like, okay, you know what, not today is my day. Because at the end of the day, somewhere down the line, we lost control of our lives. You guys understand that, correct? We became part of this quote-unquote system that is not really a system, it's more of a trap. Where we wake up every morning and we go to work, wake up every morning, go to work, the bills are paid, the weekend comes, we celebrate, Monday comes, we're back to work, correct? It's just part of the game. I can't complain. It's a 9 to 5, and I'm going to be honest, one thing I tell everybody, I don't think I am better than 9 to 5. I don't think a 9 to 5 is the wrong way to go. I don't have anything against it. I am a product of a 9 to 5. My mom and my dad both have 9 to 5s. Had 9 to 5s with my mom now. But this is what I'm saying is just like what created me, because I saw what they had to do. I saw the things they had to go through. So for me to be in this position and look at it like, okay, I cannot do the same thing because of the position they put me in, it becomes deeper than just the money. It's people who I owe it to. It's people who I want to become great for. It's people that I got to wake up every single day and become something more. You guys with me?
Yeah.
How many people here think they deserve more? How many people here have a job?
Yep.
Y'all clock in every day, right? Alright, so how many people here are confident enough to go into your boss's, quote-unquote, boss's office tomorrow and ask for a raise? Based on the work you do, are you guys confident enough to be like, yo, you know what, I need a raise? Not saying you'll get it, but confident on the work you guys do, would you guys ask for a raise?
Yeah.
You guys would? Cool. I like that. Let's say he says no. Would y'all do it just to see what happens?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So this is what I want you guys to understand, right? Because I don't have a boss. I don't. I'm my own boss. So the same way you guys have the courage to walk into somebody else's office and ask for more money. I want you guys to wake up every single morning, look at yourselves in the mirror, and tell yourself you need a raise because you are the boss of your life. You are in control. And guess what you guys better do? Are you guys going to tell yourselves no? You guys better give yourselves that raise, and you better do everything in your power to make sure you guys get that raise. Who here wants to be a millionaire? Cool, I like that. So what you guys expect for $1 million to be at your door when you open the door tomorrow morning? You guys expect $1 million to come knocking at your door? You guys have to understand that blessings come in disguise. Everything is not going to be picture perfect. Everything is not going to be the way you envisioned it. So when you see an opportunity like this may be the $1 million dream you've been looking for. This may be the $1 million opportunity you guys are looking for. But you guys are just failing to realize it and look at it for what it is. Simply because your mind is so corrupted with different information you got from different places. But mind you, I'm 26, like I told you, Rico, Chairman 10. Yo, Rico, how old are you, 21?
Yes, sir.
Nate, how old are you, 23? 22, Chairman 100. They're younger than me. So for me to like, the reason why I point that out is because this is for like literally everybody in here can do this. Everybody in here can be successful. We just have to follow the blueprint, follow what was given to us. Same way I told you guys, if you guys are willing to ask for a raise to your boss, you guys better be willing to ask yourselves for a raise. And it's up to you guys to give it to yourselves. Blessings come in disguise. I tell you guys all the time. One story that I heard that made me realize this, right? And I was talking to one of my mentors at the time, and he told me the story, right? It's about 3 elephants. And he was like, yo, one time there was this guy, and he had crazy faith. He was very religious. He had a lot of faith in God and everything. And he falls into his lake. He starts drowning. He's kicking, paddling. Yo, I'm drowning. Help, God, please help. And the elephant comes. The elephant's like, yo, grab onto me. I'm going to take you out. He was like, nah, trust me. God got me. Right? Cool. The elephant leaves. Like, whatever. Second elephant comes. He's like, yo, trust me. I got you. Just grab onto me. I'm going to get you out. He's like, nah, don't worry about it. God got me. Okay, cool. The second elephant leaves. So now it's getting crazy. This guy's kicking and paddling. Like, yo, where's God? Where are you? God, where are you? God, where are you? The third elephant comes. He's like, yo, bro, it's getting bad. Grab into my trunk. I'm going to get you out of here. No, trust me. God got me. Elephant's like, okay, leaves. God drowns. Dies. He gets to heaven, and he sees God. Yo, God, what happened? Like, I called you. I thought you came to get me. God looks at him and says, I send you 3 elephants. You guys are with me? This is what I'm trying to, what I mean by that is that you guys are asking for all these things. You guys are wanting all these things. You have this desire for everything. But the opportunity that's going to get you there, you guys are letting it leave every single time. Picture your dream lifestyle. Picture everything you envision. Picture what you want for yourself, what you want for your loved ones, what you think you can get and what you're going to get, what you deserve. Think about everything. I want you to feel it. I want to imagine yourself waking up and there's a dream lifestyle. The person you want is next to you. The people you want are there. Your loved ones don't have to work no more. They don't have to worry about what they're worrying about now. It feels real good, right? And now we can open the eyes again. Because now we're back into reality. And what I want you guys to do right now is ask yourselves, is what am I doing today? What I'm doing right now, is that going to get me there tomorrow? And if the answer is no, something has to change. Nothing changes if nothing changes. We cannot do the same things and expect different results. So we have to change if we want change. It's the only way it works. And like I said, there's one thing I want all you guys to do. If you guys decide, you know what, I'm going to just go back to what I'm doing because I like it, that's completely fine. But at this very moment right here, I want all you guys to reclaim your life. I want all you guys here to reclaim your life and tell yourselves again that you are in charge. No matter what everybody has put in your mind, no matter what has gone where, I want you guys to tell yourselves, it's my life, I'm reclaiming my life, I'm going to do as I please, and I'm going to get where I want because nobody can stop me. Only you guys dictate your future. I promise you guys are seeing the products that we have created. You guys are seeing the people that came out of this business successfully. Why not win with us? Why not take the leap of faith? Why not say, you know what? Today I'm going to do something that scares me. Today I'm going to do something out of the ordinary. Every single day I wake up and do the same thing. Today I want change. Today I'm reclaiming my life. Today I'm telling myself, you know what? I'm back in control. I'm back in control. What are you guys going to do? The steering wheel is back in your hands. Where are you guys taking your life? With that being said, I want to pass it up to the dude who pretty much got me on board. Somebody that I look up to. Mind you, like I said, he's younger than me, and I look up to his work ethic, the way he moves, the way he does everything, the way his success got in this company. Literally, like, he calls me every day and tells me something, yo, Beav, you have to fix up, you have to do this. So I'm telling you guys, the person that's going to come up is going to give you more information regarding the company. He's going to give you exactly what the company is about. When I speak, I mostly tell you guys just a different way of thinking, the reason why I decided to take this opportunity. But this guy, he's very, very smart, and he's very successful in his business, and I know he's going to max out the comp plan very, very soon. So with that being said, yo, Rico, it's up to you, baby.
Alright, how we feeling today, fam? How we feeling? Feeling good?
Blessed and highly favored,
Are we
yes.
excited? We should definitely be very, very excited about to talk about how we can gain an extra source of income. Not even an extra source, but two extra sources of incomes. One of them is going to be passively from your phone, and the second one's going to be from, of course, residually. But let's get into how we actually trade Forex, right? So just a little bit about myself. My name is Ricardo Hussey. I'm 21 years old, and I've been trading in the foreign exchange market now with Trade House Investment Group for almost a year. Right, but I actually want to get into our partner company, right? Because Trade House, of course, coming to the opportunity, I didn't know anything about Forex, but now I was able to actually join an investment group, right, which is partnered with I Am Mastery Academy. The first product I want to go over is actually one of my favorite. It's called the Harmonic Scanner, okay? And what the Harmonic Scanner is, it's a $6 million tool, and we have access to this tool, but I'm pretty sure no one in this room right now knows that the banks actually use this harmonic scanner to trade your money that's sitting in your bank account on a daily basis, okay? And another fun fact, the banks are actually the largest participators in the foreign exchange market, okay? So like I said, they're able to use the harmonic scanner and trade our money that's sitting in our savings account, right? That's how they actually make, the large sums of money, okay? So the harmonic scanner, right? And I'm not sure if you guys can pretty see this pretty well, but I Am Mastery Academy, they have a plethora of products that's going to help you make money, okay? In Trade House, we actually, educate on a daily basis. We host trainings on an app called Zoom. It's like it's kind of like FaceTime, right? But now, instead of having, you and your friend on FaceTime, it could be me and you one-on-one training, teaching you how to use these products to make money, right? Or it could be me or anybody else that's in the business, teaching the whole organization, over thousands of people, how to make money from using these products, right, on a daily basis. We probably have a training going on right now, okay? But just to go back to the harmonic scanner, like I said, $6 million tool, and based upon the strategy that we're going to teach you hands-on, one-on-one, right? It's a very, very simple strategy. It takes about 5 steps, right? It's okay. We're waiting for this line to line up, waiting for this line to cross. We're gonna wait for this line to go above, and then this line is crossing above. Okay, cool. We're gonna either enter this trade for a buy or a sell, depending on which way the lines are lining up. Okay, so if all the lines are lining up above, right, these certain levels, we're gonna get in this trade for a buy market execution. Okay, and what I love about the harmonic scanner really is that it does most of the work for you. It does 90% of the work for you. It scans the market for you. So literally, all you have to do is open up the harmonic scanner, right? And it's already gonna give you the most recent trade setup. Okay, so you literally all you have to do is click through the currency pairs, right, and find which trade is setting up, right? It's gonna give you the trades to get into. It's gonna give you your parameters as well, okay? And in trading, there's 3 parameters that we need. We need our entry point, okay? That's where we're going to enter the trade, which the harmonic scanner gives it to you, right? It's gonna give you your take profit, and basically what your take profit is, it's like your target area. So, say for instance, the harmonic scanner calls out GBP USD. That's the Great British Pound to the US dollar, right? It's gonna give you your take profit, and like I said, it's your target area. So when we get in this trade, and this market hits our target or take profit, it's going to take us out the trade automatically with all of the profit. Okay, so say for instance, right? And it's an example, but this is real life examples, okay? You could be driving, right? You put in a trade early, and now you're driving, you're going about your day. You check your phone, oh, my trade hit take profit. Or where did my trade go? It hit take profit, that means I made money. Right, you can put in a trade right before you go to sleep. Okay, you wake up before you go to work. Oh, my trade hit take profit. I made money while I was sleeping. You could be in the gym, right? They're gonna send you a trade to your phone. Okay, after my workout is done, my 45-minute workout, my trade hit take profit. I made money while I was working out. Okay, so take profits are gonna, it's gonna help. Excuse me. The take profit is gonna, like I said, take out the trade automatically with the profit, right? The next parameter it gives you is your stop loss. Okay, your stop loss is basically like your safety net. Okay, you always want to enter a take profit and a stop loss, because trading is not 100%, right? But with the products and the system that we have in place, we win way more than we lose. You can ask anybody that's in Trade House Investment Group right now, right? They could probably show you withdrawal from today. But like I said, your stop loss is like your safety net. So say for instance, the trade doesn't do what we want it to do, because like I said, trading is not 100%, but we're about 85–90% every single week. And this trade hits our stop loss, right? It's going to take us out the trade automatically so we don't keep losing money, right? And like we set the stop loss at a certain point, and of course, like within Trade House Investment Group, like I said, we're very, very big on education, right? We want you to, of course, make money. So we follow certain rules like proper risk management, right? We have exclusively Trade House, whatever you want to call it, GEM, right? And we teach you how to use 10% risk management. So say for instance, you have however much money in your account, okay, cool. You could only use 10% of whatever that's in your account balance. Because like I said, trading is not 100%. You don't want to put all of your eggs in one basket. If this trade does bad and you put all your eggs in one basket, now you're blowing the account. Now you have no more money to trade with, right? So you want to, of course, like Beava has said it before, follow the blueprint, follow the system we have in place, right? And okay, you say he's going to promise you success. Anybody in this room that's in the group right now could tell you that following these rules, following these blueprints, they have seen success just from listening and applying. Okay, so that's the Ramana scanner. It's going to scan the market for me, 90% accurate, right? We have strategies that we use on it, and like I said, we teach on it on a daily basis. Of course, like when you guys have access to the educational platform, you're going to learn and earn at the same time. Okay, so now the next product I want to get into is called Gold Cup, right? Gold Cup is another product, very, very simple strategy. And actually within this Gold Cup app, they have 3 strategies that they give you, right? One of them is called MA Cross, right? And it's crazy because, you know, one of our family members within Trade House Investment Group, he just became one of, you know, he's one of the newest IM educators, right? He's 21 years old. My brother, his name is Delano Bender. Now, instead of just teaching Trade House, he's teaching people globally from this platform right here at the age of 21. You know, he's teaching people how to make money from the products. Okay, so Gold Cup, MA Cross, this is probably the easiest thing I've ever learned my whole entire life, right? I went to college, I was in college for about a semester, so, you know, in America, you know, the US, I swear to God, and in the US, right, the semester starts in August. Well, my semester started in August, right, and that first semester ends in December. Literally, from August to December, I never went back after that, right? That was back in 2016. And like it just wasn't for me, right? But now, okay, cool. And plus, like I wasn't making any money. I wasn't really learning anything that I could actually apply. But now, you know, when I got over here, I'm like, dang, I'm learning some of the easiest stuff. And it's like, wow, it's not only helping me make money, but you know, it's helping other people make money. And I can help other people make money. So Gold Cup, literally, it's a chart just like the Ramana scanner, and this is 2 simple lines, literally 2 lines, right? And peep this. If these 2 lines, they cross on the way up, right, we're going to get in this trade for a buy market execution. Very, very simple. And we're going to make money because they cross on the way up and we're going to buy, right? If these 2 lines cross on the way down, we're going to get in this trade for a sell and we're going to make money for the sell, okay? You guys are probably wondering like, well, how do you know that? It's crazy because I didn't know that, but like I said, IM Academy, right, they actually have master educators, right? They have, you know, 6, 7, 8-figure master educators, 8-figure traders that actually teach you how to use these products, right? Each educator has a product on this platform, right? And they have another product just for all these educators in one spot. It's called Go Live, right? That's another product, very, very popular product. Now, this one is more hands-on. Okay, so with the Go Live sessions, does anybody in here have Netflix? Right? Anyone ever go like on Instagram Live? No? Yeah, sometimes. Cool, this is basically like Go Live. Say for instance now your favorite TV show or your favorite celebrity, they want to go on Instagram Live and you want to tune in, right? Like I've tuned into some of my favorite celebrities, you know, go on Instagram Live just to see what they're doing. But now with this Go Live session, over 100+ educators, and like I said, now it's more hands-on. So say for instance, your favorite celebrity, right, that you want to watch Instagram Live, now your favorite educator, your favorite trader, right, is going to go live. And now, instead of, watching TV and watching something that's not going to help you really learn or make any money, you can watch your favorite educator on a live session, right? Now they're going to be on there actually teaching you how they trade their trade setups. Okay, so I didn't make any of this trading stuff up. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday to Thursday, right? And we trade go live. And literally, I wake up, I set my alarm, I wake up 9 o'clock, I open my laptop, and now I'm waiting for my favorite educator. Her name is Kim Torres, right? I'm waiting for her to tell me buy or sell, right? Beava could tell you, Vic could tell you, Mel could tell you, anybody could tell you. I'm just waiting for them to say buy or sell, right? I'm gonna make my money just like that. After that, I'm closing my laptop, and I'm done for the day. Literally, just off of one go live session from 9 to 10 a.m. I'm done trading, right? Just off of a few trades from them telling me exactly what to do. And at the same time, I just learned exactly, so I could do it by myself, right? But now if I want to do it by myself, I have the home line scanner, I have Gold Cup, I can really find trades by myself. But it's an earn while you learn system, right? You want to be able to come in and make money within your first week, your first 72 hours, right? And of course, we're going to learn the skill. That's what the platform is here for. That's what Trade House Investment Group is here for, okay? So that's just a little bit about the products, right? How do you guys feel about the product so far? Do you feel like what I'm saying is pretty simple? Yeah. Right, because I like things to be pretty simple. Like I said, I'm really not that smart. This trading, I promise you, I'm really not that smart. Like this trading stuff, it might look very, very complicated online or when someone is talking to you about it, the charts look all crazy, but it's just because we're not just educated on it yet. You know what I mean? So it's definitely, like I said, very, very big on education. So that's just a few of the products. And we talked about the trading part, $7 trillion market, and just to, just to go back to the products real quick, just real quick. Some of us, we might not have a laptop, right? We might not have a desktop, or we might not be always able to, be by the laptop, right? But now, what I love about IM Academy so much is that you're able to learn and earn on the go, right? To actually have those same products I talked about, the home line scanner, the Gold Cup, the Gold Live sessions, they have the apps in your app store right now, right? If you have an iPhone, you have a Google phone, whatever, Android, right? Go to your app store right now, search up, search Gold Cup. You can download it right now, right? But you won't have access to it because you don't have access to the platform. But now, okay, cool, you're out and about, right? Me and Nate and I, we've been out, we've been on the plane, we've been in the club, whatever the case may be. The trade gets sent to our phone. I'm answering the trade. Everything I just paid for in the club, I'm making it right back, right? Just from a trade that they sent me. And it's literally that simple. Like I said, I like to keep things very, very simple. I'm not a complicated guy. I'm not the smartest person. And you don't have to be the smartest person. You don't have to know the most to make money in this opportunity, right? Your learning curve does not determine your profits in this opportunity. I want you guys to understand that, okay? Exchange market is open Sunday 5 p.m. all the way to Friday till 5 p.m., right? 24 hours a day, 24/5. Okay, so like I said, $7 trillion market, and now I really want to bring up somebody that's going to help you guys understand how to gain a second source of income within this opportunity. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and bring up my millionaire mentor, right? The age of 22 years old, his name is Nathan Samuel. Could we all just give him a big round of applause, please?
My name is Nathan Samuel. I'm currently 22 years old, and I'm actually still in college. Like anybody familiar with Morehouse College? It's like an African-American school for black men, right? So I'm currently a senior there. I have one more semester left. I'm actually supposed to be in class right now, but I tore a lot, so my teachers work with me, all right? However, that's just a little bit about me. And I'm here today specifically, my specific job today is to help you join this business and for you to understand what this business can do for you and how it not only changed my life, but changed the lives of everybody who spoke in front of you. What I want you to take away from that is not only has she been investing, right, and learning how to make her money grow for her on a day-to-day basis, but she was also able to secure $3,000 to her lifestyle, right, that this company said, okay, over the year, right, we're going to pay you this out every single week. Now, how long were we in the business?
Since January.
January. So what is that? I can't count for it. It's a month. A month or so, 2 months or so, she was able to secure a few extra $1,000 in her life. All right, and I want you to understand that here in Trade House, I'm actually a founder of Trade House, right? The investment group, right? But over here, we like to say, not to say we don't necessarily pride ourselves on the money, But like B said, there's a lot of real things you can do, right? What does success mean to you? We pride ourselves on allowing for people to realize, okay, we come from specific upbringings. How many of us can say, all right, we didn't come from the richest family in the world, right? We came from a family where, okay, our family members may have worked. My family used to bust their ass. My father used to get up 7 in the morning, every single morning, until I retired. All right, so we come from similar upbringings, but now we have an opportunity where, because of this conglomerate, because I am Trade House, right, this one family, now we're starting to better our situation. So when I talk to you today and you hear numerical month, the money's, people are making money. Right? I don't want you to get caught up in the money. I don't want you to think I'm telling moms to come to the front for money. I want moms to come to the front because I want everybody's situation to be better. All right, and what we do is we travel. At this point, you understand, we're traveling the world, country to country. I'm not from here. I'm from New York. But we're literally blowing up different markets now because the power to change someone's life, if you do it with love and you do it with positivity and you do it through a higher power, like you see we're here in the church, right? Some beautiful things can happen. And that's what I want you to understand. And that's just one of the speakers. The second speaker is actually still in college as well, Lisa. Right? She's actually about to hit the next level in this business. But how long have you been in the business? Since June. All right, since June. And since June now, come this opportunity, go from a situation where an athlete in college to, okay, now I'm looking to learn to invest because of a pair. A few months later, I'm in Canada with Nathan, and we're talking about my last 30 days, and we're able to talk about how I was able to profit over $5,000 from this opportunity. This is the past 30 days, right? Mind you, just somebody who joined this opportunity in June. How many of us can comfortably say, right, for our, not even for ourselves, but for our family, we can put an extra $5,000 to use? Raise your hand and raise them high. I can raise mine high. I done made some money. I can still use $5 grand. I know they can do it for my business. All right? So that's the second speaker who spoke to you. This is from a numerical standpoint, right? Also a college student, right? Also looks like us, also comes from a very similar upbringing, right? But is making something better for himself. Third speaker now you have Beef, right? My big brother, right? Humbling, he's my big brother. I looked up to him all my life, right? He's about to hit the esteemed position now of being a chairman in his company. All right? And similar, I don't want to talk money all day, but somebody, six-figure earner. Right? Six-figure earner. Before we talk about residual income, before we talk about any things of that nature. All right? Fast forward, I'll pick it up a little bit. Ricardo Hussey, all right? It's like my little brother. All right? Ricardo Hussey used to live on my couch. We used to build this thing up from my couch. Ricardo Hussey's making $6 a week. Ricardo Hussey living off my dime. All right? Now, fast forward now, Ricardo Hussey's 21 years old. Last month, Ricardo Hussey damn near made about $20,000 US. Ricardo Hussey, give him a round of applause. Because we don't have problems, right? Raise your hand if you have problems. Raise it high. There's an opportunity to make sure those problems, right, those problems become your pleasure. A lot of this information I'm going to tell you about today, it's not necessarily so you can make quick money. We all have quick pleasures in life, regardless if you're my age or your age. We all have things where you give us some money, we'll do something with it, quick pleasure, we'll enjoy it. We'll get fulfillment, right? Short satisfaction. However, you're really in this room now for the real discussion, the real conversation. After you make your first $100,000, what are you going to do to impact? All right? My parents don't work anymore. My parents don't work. All right? How many of us, just take it a step further, how many of us have bills? Sometimes. How many of us have bills where we know that if we created an extra stream, more importantly, we learned the skill that we can create and generate revenue on our own? How many of us lives we can just have a little bit more, we get a little bit happier? How many of us don't have our time? Sometimes just because we're giving our time to different things that we're doing for this specific resource called money, the Canadian dollar. All right? And now I'm here to tell you, okay, God sent you. I believe in God. I have a strong faith system. I firmly believe in order for you to become successful in life, you need to have faith. I don't talk about it too much because I'm not a pastor. However, you need to have faith. Like this information that we're going to talk about and that I'm going to tell you can dead change your life. Repeat after me. This information will dead change my life.
This information will dead change my life.
All right? But this is how it works. So you have two people in your business. Now your monthly fee is waived. Now you don't pay a monthly. You're still trading. You have people in your business. They're trading. Monthly fee is waived. But now you take it a step further. You get that one extra person. All right? You get that one extra person. And now the company turns around and says, you know what? I'm going to pay you $150 a month. $36.50 every single Friday. Because you enrolled 3 people to this opportunity. And you showed them how you were making money in a $7.7 trillion market. Would that be something you want to do? Would that be something you say, okay, I'll give it a shot?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest. I made around $6,000, $7,000 in this opportunity before I hit any of these ranks. I say that to people because, especially nowadays, in today's day, I'm gonna be honest, some of y'all gonna join this business, some of y'all gonna hit these ranks, you might make $2, $6, $10. Because the belief system is through the roof. You're gonna join, you're gonna tag me, I'm gonna tag you back. Your friends gonna be like, oh, you know him? They know him? You're gonna be on trainings, oh, you're associated with him? People gonna join your business. Or some of you guys just gonna lock in. You might make $10, $20, $30, whatever the case may be, $20,000 your business will grow. But just understand, the cards that you're dealt, the situation that you're gonna have at hand, I don't wanna say it's sweet. I don't wanna say it's easy, but it's a blessing. It is a blessing. And I'm gonna tell you more about your blessing in a second. So now you have 3 people in the business. Right? You have 3 people in the business who are duplicating you, doing what you're doing and winning like you're winning. And I want to, let's get this. Can you come here real quick? I actually stole this from one of my millionaire mentors. You come here real quick too? And somebody else, you just come in quick. You come. And just come to the front real quick. And I want to show you how this opportunity works in very simple terms. So this is me trading in the markets. I'm making money and I'm successful. Right? This is what I'm going to do. I want you guys to do this. All right? That's cool. Stop. Okay. Stop. Because pay attention. That's what's going to happen in your business. He got to quit. She got to quit. It's going to take some individual attention. Right? You got it. Right? There it is. And then, so that was me. I was taking care of my mom. Why you stop? Nah, I gotta keep going. Right? I was taking care of my mom. And you know what? This house will be in real life too. You know what? You guys keep going. No, please. Go. People are gonna leave the business. The people are gonna leave the business. They're gonna be like, you know, Rick, you see my Instagram? Come here, Rick. This is how we making money. Boom. Now, so I have 3 people. I'm getting paid $150. I'm getting paid a total of $36 a month, $36 a week, because you get paid every single Friday, $150 a month. Right? Now, Platinum 600 is the next rank. Right? Platinum 600 is the next rank now where you're getting paid a total of $600 a month, $150 every single Friday. Because you joined the opportunity, you listened, you applied, and now you know what to do. So look, I want you to go get 3 people. Teach them how to do the clap, and then bring them to the front. I want you to go get 3 people. Teach them how to do the clap.
Volunteer.
Bring them to the front.
Volunteer, put your hand up. Come over here. Another volunteer. Put your hand up. Come over here, man. One of you guys. You guys got to nominate one of you guys. I want these 3. Come on.
3 people. Once you're ready, just pick at the beach and just let's go. You got it. Now you go get it.
I'm gonna make money.
Make sure we're all people. Leg back, leg.
Where's my 3? You guys ain't comfortable.
I made $1 million doing this. I'm telling you. You guys always this money. So now at first he was just me telling him, you don't want to do this. I get it. And now he's doing it. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All in unison. I was clapping, right? I was making money. I was utilizing the products. I was getting on Zoom calls. I was successful. I was winning. And I taught my 3 people how to do it. Now he's making money, she's making money, she's making money, he's making money, she's making money, he's making money, he's making money, he's making money, he's making money. Does the opportunity discriminate? Does the class discriminate? Did it favor me because I was black? Hell no. That's what it is. But look now. All different walks of life. Now we have one common thing that brings us together. And we're on one accord. You can't tell who's the best. You really can't tell who started it. You can't tell who's the richest person right here. You can't tell who's the most successful. And you can't tell who's in charge. Now let's stop. Let's stop. It's just like that. It's funny. It's funny, but when I backtrack my success, and sometimes people ask me, how did you get there? And how did that happen? It's just that simple. But what if I didn't take the time? What if I didn't take the time to make sure the first three was on unison? More importantly, focus though, family, focus though. Focus, especially if you want to get a bag positionally through this opportunity. What if I didn't take the time myself to learn the rhythm? What if I wasn't the example for my 12 family members to come up here and become successful? Bro's younger than me. And the universe is going to respect him retiring his mother and his family way more than respect me. Because he just has a better opportunity. But what if I didn't take the time to clarify the rhythm for myself to learn? What if swipe trades didn't work for me and I didn't learn the pattern? What if the products didn't work for me and I didn't learn the pattern? We wouldn't be in Canada. This was a beautiful, beautiful event. The family vibes, I felt it. You guys are like me. You're exactly like me, and you look, you win, and I promise, you join this family, I will be behind you every single step of the way. All right, I love you guys all, and now we're gonna scream. We're gonna scream, and we're gonna let it out. And you better not play with it, Canada, okay? Don't play with it, Canada. Can we do that? How we feeling?
Yep.
So repeat after me real quick. I will win.
I will win.
Everybody look at mom. Hey, mom, I will win.
I will win.
One more time. I will win.
I will win.
Look to the person to the left and tell them I love you. I love you.